Hi friends, welcome back to my channel with a new video. And if you are not yet subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe and click on the bell icon. And today we are going to discuss on folder packages in the Automation Anywhere 360. And so here you can see the folder packages which are available in the Automation Anywhere. So we'll see one by one. So first one is we'll see the create, open, rename, copy, create shortcut, zip, unzip, delete, create symbolic link. So how to use these commands inside this folder packages we'll see in the today's session. So let me open Automation Anywhere. So I'll create one task part here. Okay, so I'll just give that name as folder packages. Okay, and after this you can see this workspace here. So once you open this one, so you can see in the left side you can see that variables, actions and triggers. Okay, so in the action we need to type folder, and once you type the folder, so whatever the folder packages are available in this folder package, you can able to see under this folder. Okay, so now so first we'll use this create. So how to create a folder we'll see now. Okay, so I'll just create one folder in the desktop. So let me just take this desktop folder path to copy as path. Okay, so here I'll just provide that folder path here. So okay, so now just remove that double quote from the starting and ending. On desktop, we'll create folder called source. Okay, and save this one. And now, so in the desktop, you can see there is no folder called source. Okay, so now I'll create the folder. So now run the bot. So just click, select this overwrite an existing folder, because if you run this bot multiple times also, it is going to overwrite that folder. Okay, so it is not going to create a new folder. So it is going to overwrite that folder. So now we'll see. So it has to create a folder, that source on the desktop. So we'll see now. So bot is running now. Okay, so bot run is started. We'll see now. So that folder is created or not in the desktop. Okay, so here it is created. Source, you can see that. Okay, I'll just close this one, and now we'll see open command now. So we need to open that folder. Uh, just take this open command here, and you copy this folder path here again. So it has to open that folder path. Okay, and save this and run it. Okay, let me close this and go back there in the folder section. So it already opened that folder here. Okay, so now close this, and so now we'll rename that folder. Okay, on desktop you can see that source. So now I'll just rename that one. So how to rename we'll see here. Okay, just disable this line. So now you take this rename command. So here you need to provide the folder path here. Sorry, so I already taken that folder path here. So that is the source folder. Now I'll rename that to source folder I'll give. Okay. So now save this and run it. So now it has to rename source to source folder. Okay, so now bot run is completed. Now we'll see that folder path, folder name here. So now it is changed to source folder. Okay, so that is how we need to use that rename. So now copy, how to copy that folder. So before that, here the source folder is already there. I will create one more folder on desktop. Okay, I'm just creating manually here. If you want to create it by bot also, you can create it. Okay, Anyway, we have created that source folder by the bot only. So here I'll just give destination. Okay, that is destination folder. So now we'll go back to automation anywhere and we'll take this rename. So in the rename, again I'll just disable this line. Okay, in the rename, that folder path I need to give, that is source folder, and now new folder name I need to give, right? So that is destination. So just change this source to destination. Sorry, we are not to use this rename. We need to use this copy, right? Okay, double click on this copy, and that source folder path is this one, and destination folder path is not source one, it is destination. So destination I'll give. So now it has to copy that source folder. I mean, not this source folder. We renamed that to source folder, right? So now run this one. So if you click on that run, automatically it is saving it. So that the source folder has to copied inside that destination folder now. Okay, we'll see. So how it is copying. Okay, so now let me open this destination folder. So here you can see it has already copied that source folder. Okay, that's how we need to copy that. Now we'll use shortcut, create a shortcut. So how to create a shortcut? We'll see here only in the destination folder. Okay, just disable this line and then take this shortcut, create shortcut, and here we need to provide the source folder path, that is source folder, and then the shortcut location I'll just give that destination one. So inside that destination, so it has to create that source folder shortcut. Okay, let me save this and now run this one. Okay, the bot run is completed. So let me go back to this destination folder. So here you can see that shortcut to source folder, it is created here. Okay, so now we'll see how to GIF that folder. Okay, so I'll just delete this one, these two folder inside this destination. I'm deleting it. Okay, now what I'll do, I'll close this folder. So this folder, the source folder, okay, this source folder has to GIF inside this destination folder. So now it is empty. We'll see, we'll GIF that. Okay, so here take that command GIF, and here that source folder path I need to give, source folder it is. Okay, and now if you want to GIF the file also, you can GIF. So only file of the specified type will be compressed. Separate different file types using the semicolon. So there is no file inside that folder. So now we'll GIF that folder only. After that we'll see how to GIF including the file inside that folder. Okay, so now that destination folder path is destination only. Destination I'll give. Okay, now save this and run it. So it has but here after this after inside that destination I need to zip, right? So we need to provide the dot zip. I'll just give my folder dot zip. So this my folder dot zip has to zip inside that destination folder. Okay, so that my folder dot zip, it is holding the file of source folder only. So that folder it is zipping inside that destination folder. Okay, now button is completed. So let me open this destination. Here you can see my folder.zip is zipped it. And if you open this zip folder, you can see that folder source folder. Okay, in this source folder we don't have any files. Okay, now we'll keep some files here. Okay, I'll delete this zip file and I'll close this destination. And here in the source folder there is no file, right? Okay, it is also empty. Now I'll copy files here. One is XLSB extension, and one more is txt file. I'll just copy these two. I'll paste inside this source folder. Okay. Now the extension you can see .txt and .xlsb. Now we'll zip first. First we'll zip this txt file. How to zip that? So here, we need to provide star.txt. Okay. So now we'll see how it is going to zip. Save this. So it is going to zip that folder. My folder, it is holding the source folder. Inside that source folder, we are having two files. One is txt and another one is xlsb file. But it is going to zip that only txt file. So now we'll open this destination folder. Here you can see my folder zip, and then source folder. Inside this you can see only this text file. So now, okay, I'll just delete this one, this GIF folder. So I'll close this. Now we'll GIF both the file XLSB and .txt. If you want to do that one, use semicolon, and after that then star dot XLSB you need to give. Suppose if it is doc, you need to give star dot doc. Okay, so let me run this now. So it has to GIF the folder including the files txt and the xlsb file. Okay, so now bot-run is completed. Let me open this destination folder. Here GIF file is there, and then source folder inside this, see here. So now we can able to GIF both the files. Okay, that is how we need to use this GIF. But so now I need to unzip this one. Okay, so I'll take this file path. Okay, copy as path. That GIF file path I need to take, and now disable this. Take this unzip, and here in the unzip you need to provide the GIF file name with the full path. Okay, this is the GIF file name with the full path. Okay, now where you need to extract that, that we are asking, and again we'll select that destination folder only. I'll just remove this. Okay, inside that destination folder only we'll unzip that. I mean that source folder has to unzip inside this destination folder. Okay, let me run this. Okay, now we'll see that. Okay, let me open this destination folder. Here you can see that it is unzipped. Source folder is unzipped. So it is having two files. So now I want to delete that destination file itself. So now I want to delete this destination folder. Not file, a folder we need to delete. Okay, so whatever that folder, for that you need to take this delete, and here folder path we need to give. So I'll just give this destination folder, and then just save this. Okay, let me, after running this one, I'll just go back to this destination, I mean desktop. Now you can see that destination folder will go, it is going to delete now. See, it is deleted now. So bot run is also completed, and the folder is also deleted. You can see there is no folder, destination folder inside on the desktop. So now we'll see create a symbolic link. Okay, to create a symbolic link, no, so we need some permissions. Okay, that admin can have that permission, but see here how we can get that error, access denied error. I'll just showcase to you. So destination folder is not there. Okay, so let me use this source folder only. Okay, so after that, the symbolic link location where I need to create, I will just give this destination is not there. I'll just give source. Okay, because that source folder is there. Save this one. Here you can see we are giving that source folder path and the source folder path. Okay, and now You can run the bot. So we'll get an error because we don't have permission to create a symbolic link. Okay, you can see that. So unable to create a symbolic link as access to the specified destination folder. See user's HP desktop source has been denied. Okay, so for that, let me open this. Okay, you can see this article. Okay, so if you want to test that one, you need to use this MK link. Okay, then that source file path and the so link file path and the existing file path you need to give. So there also you can see this errors. Symbolic link can be created, right? So you do not have sufficient privilege to perform this operation. You will get it. So this one you need to type it in the CMD. Okay. So I'll just provide that. To understand this one, MK link. Okay, then this file path, and after this another file path. So I'll just remove this. Okay, so destination is not there. So I'll just give source, and here I'll just remove this destination as well. So here I'll give source folder, and if you hit enter after this, you can see access is denied. Okay, and if you do that vice versa right here, and here I'll give source folder, and here I'll create source, and after this if you hit enter, no, you can see that access is denied. So that is why how to check that. Here you can see you need to open your control panel. You need to go to control panel, then administrative tool, and open a local security policy. Okay, local policy security you need to click, and inside that user right assignment, and here you can see create a symbolic link. So you need to uh, enable this one. By default the administration group has this privilegation for user not in the administration group. Add that user to the administration group and GP update or force. So that is how you need to do some settings for that, and then you can able to create that one. Okay, so that's how you need to use that command. So now we saw how to create, open, rename, all the commands we saw. So that's how we need to use these folder packages. Thank you for watching. Bye.